Hi, this is Daniel Ramey with Circo Innovations. Today we're going to be showing you how to build this design for this beach wagon. It's going to be a nice shade cover made out of PVC pipe. Alright, let's go over the pipe lengths that you will need. First, you'll need 2 sections cut to 31 inches long. You'll need 8 sections cut to 21 inches long. You'll need 2 sections cut to 19.5 inches long. Right. For the fittings, you're going to need 4 of the 1/2 inch 3-ways. You're going to need 4 of the internal couplings, also in 1/2 inch. You're going to need 8 of the snap crosses, and these are 1/2 inch as well. Lastly, you're going to need a 10-pack of the snap clamps, and those are what's going to hold on your material on the shade itself. All right, we're going to start by using the snap crosses. Snap them on the bottom here, on all 4 sides. All right, so next you're going to be taking the sections that are cut to 21 inches long, and you're going to be placing them into the snap crosses. This is important to when you're starting this process to decide how high you want it to be. You have a little bit of flexibility between 6 inches of if it's going to be higher or lower. We're going to set ours pretty low down here so we don't have a too high of canopy. All right, next up you're going to take your internal 1/2 inch couplings. You're going to be setting them in the top here, nice and firm. All right, now you're going to use the last 4 sections of your 21 inch pieces of pipe. You're going to stick them on the top just like this. Next you're going to take your 3-ways, place them on the top of these just like so. Now you're going to take your 2 long sections here, stick them in just like this. And all this can be adjusted. Obviously, if you want to have a shorter, smaller design, just cut these down and make the sections shorter in these right here. All we have left is using your covering. We're going to be using some towels, beach towels that is. We're using this because it's something we bring to the beach. It's easy, we don't have to transport anything else. This is when we're going to be using the snap clamps to attach those beach towels to the frame here. So let's do it. All right, so we just have a standard small beach towel here. Let's throw it over the top, kind of even it out. Use these snap clamps to
Scissors.